but until my will runs dry, send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Angela for those that don't know me, and this is my first video. And yeah, man, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and all those good stuff. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So yeah, so basically I just woke up. That's why I'm looking like an ass. That's why I'm looking like a bum. Okay, so the plan for today is that I'll be going out and yeah, we'll see how the day goes, guys. So I need to go get ready. It's about like 7 o'clock in the morning. I woke up about 20 minutes ago. I already made my bed and stuff, so I just need to go and, you know, brush my teeth, bath and eat and clean up a little bit before I go. I have to be there by 11:30, so I have to leave the house at like 11:15. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, guys. Okay, I'll see you when I'm all dolled up and I'm all looking pretty and whatnot. Okay, bye.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality.
Okay, guys, this is just a quick update. Okay, I know I had to be. I know the last. Are
you stupid or something?
This is a quick update. It's currently 4 minutes past 8. I have to be there at 11:30. Okay, or like 11:15. 11:15. So quarter past 11. Okay. So yeah, this is a quick update. I just finished cleaning, so I thought I should update you guys. I'm gonna go bath now and just get dressed. I don't know if I'm gonna get dressed because it's quite early and I finished cleaning quite early, so I'm gonna just go bath now. And oh shit, I need to eat.
We can chill, we can smoke. Me and you, all alone. Anything that you want, I know it's gonna be
Hey guys, so I'm done bathing. The time is about 8:30. So I finished pretty quick. Please don't mind the noises in the background. My mom is really loud, okay? Yeah, and she's on the call, so yeah, she's probably talking to one of her friends and she's really loud, so don't mind her. So it's 8:30. I need to dress up and everything. I don't think I'm gonna like dress up now. I'm just gonna like lotion my body, like put lotion on my body, and yeah, and that's it. And yeah, and then maybe around 10 I'll dress up, and yeah, I'll catch you when I'm done, guys. Also, guys, before I go, can you see how the sun is complementing my skin? Like, let me just go, guys. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see now, but like my face is purple.
Got it!
Please recommend sunscreen that won't make my face purple. Like, I hate this purple. I don't know, effect or whatever. I use the Cetaphil, right? And it makes my face purple, guys, and I can't go out with the purple face. So guys, please like recommend sunscreens that are like not gonna make my face purple. Okay guys, so I think I'm done. My edges are not aging, but it's okay, we move. How's the lip? I feel like I should like make my outline of my lip like darker, nah, and should I conceal my brows? I'm not sure, because it's like almost 10 o'clock. Okay guys, so I went in a little bit darker this time. Is it okay? Okay guys, I don't think I like the lip lining thing. I think I'm gonna just put normal like lip stuff. I got an outfit. I'll be wearing these pants. I got them from Mr. Price. This top I got from the Fix and my Air Forces. They're quite dirty. Why are they on the bed? And those Nike socks. I don't know how it's gonna come out. Okay, I think I've worn this outfit before. One thing about me, guys, I will repeat an outfit. Okay, I'm no celebrity. So yeah, let me get dressed and show you guys what I look like.
A few minutes later.
I'm back. I'm done dressing, as y'all can see. Please don't mind my mirror, guys. I know Gucci it's bad, but we move. So here's my top from the Fix. These pants from MRP. Got them like a while ago. And then my forces and my socks, guys. I think I really like this outfit. So I just don't know what I want to do with my hair yet, but this is the outfit. Okay, guys, so I'm not sure, right? I have this bag, but I don't know if I should like go with this bag or if I should go with the white bag. I'm honestly confused, but don't know, man. White or like black? I'm confused, guys. By the way, my bags are from Honey. My bags are from Honey, guys. Don't mind my nails. My bags are from Honey. They're really pretty, sure. So is it this bag or this one? I'm confused. It's not like you guys can help me now, but like I'm just saying. Otherwise, tummy check. I ain't got no ass.
Okay.
Guys, now it's my hair. Like I'm not sure if like I wanna like do I don't know how I wanna tie my hair, but like let me see. So this is a high up, guys, or is it focusing? Or should I like let it, you know? Yo, my mom is making noise, guys. I'm really sorry, but you get. So this is the vibe, guys. I don't know. I think I would tie it high up because I like it better that way. What it do, babies? Your girl is looking pretty. Like, I don't do no makeup because I don't know how to. Yeah, but y'all, guys, this is what I look like. You guys saw my fit. I think I'm ready to bounce. It's about 10:30. So I got like 10 minutes, 30 minutes left before I leave the house. You know what I mean? Let me put perfume on, child. Like, we gotta smell good. Why is my perfume on my bed? Ugh. I'm putting this on. I think I got it for like some other perfume. I got it for like, well, my mom bought it for me, obviously. Guys, it smells nice. It's pack. There. Sorry. My mouth. It's like inspired by Paco Rabanne. Am I saying it right? I don't know, but you know, Paco is like a really. You know how it smells. If you know perfumes, you'll know Gucci. Her thing is, it's Olympia. Yo, it smells great, guys. And I know every time I put this on, like Uber Jazz would be like, just stay in my car. You smell great. Ooh. Let me put this on, child. Hey guys, so we just got to the mall and like we don't know what to do yet. So like we're just gonna walk around, I guess, and yeah. Ne? Oh yeah. Hi guys, we hungry? You love. We're hungry and you don't know what we want to eat. Good job.
But you give it better.
So we decided on a place to eat, right?
Yep.
We're going to Parrots. We're going to eat at Parrots. Did you press the thing? This one. Yo, that is so mean.
What do you mean, dog?
Guys, we're going to eat at Parrots because yeah, I finally like made a decision as like I always have to. Hi guys, so we done eating and now we're going go-karting. And I'm so full. Yo, guys, I had to wear this thing because... Why did I have to wear this thing again? Because, yeah, for the helmets, I had to wear this. Now I look like a granny. How will I hurt myself? No worries. Yeah, so like I look like a granny right now. Hi guys, I'm just here to say that I'm sorry that I couldn't get enough footage with regards to the go-karting because it wasn't possible for me to drive and film at the same time, but I hope you enjoyed the small snippet. Hi guys, I want to use this opportunity to thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I do appreciate constructive criticism, so if there's any way you feel like I can improve, please just let me know. This is not a perfect video as this is my first time vlogging and also editing, so please just bear with me.